Hello everyone, welcome back to the another episode of Logging It. Today I will be showing you how you can create an account on GoDaddy. For that, you need to keep in mind that GoDaddy account cannot be opened through the mobile application. You have to create an account through the official GoDaddy.com webpage. Now then, let's begin the process and I'll show you a step-by-step process for how you can create an account. First of all, open any browser on your PC. Click and open a new tab on your browser. Here, you tap on GoDaddy.com and press enter. Then you need to click on the sign in option on top of the right side of your screen. Tap on it. There you will see the options of creating a new account, that is new customer. Click on create my account. You can create an account through your Facebook and even your Google account. Here, if you tap on Facebook, your GoDaddy account will be directly opened through Facebook without use of password and filling in the details. Is this similar with the Google? If you click on Google, your GoDaddy account will be opened through the Google account details. This is a one-click sign-up process, but we will show you how you can create an account by providing your personal information. For that, first of all, you need to provide your email address. I'm going to type in my email address over here. Then you need to provide your username. I'm just going to type in similar with my email address. Now type in the password for your account. Once you have filled in with all the details, you click on create account. And with that, you have created an account on GoDaddy. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can create your account on GoDaddy. Please like and subscribe the Login It channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.